All right, team. Today we're going to be taking a look at the expanded content within the generation results inside the Systems Accelerator Manager. You might recognize this newsletter from the example that we had under the retention section. I want to go ahead and show you guys what it would look like for the system to expand content for you. So clicking the expand, we can select specific content or we can select the entirety of the content. But what the system is going to do is it's going to start thinking through all of the different content that we have here, all of these different sections and subsections, and it's going to expand on each of these little areas. This does take quite a lot of time, and so I'm going to actually speed through this while it's just processing. But what it's going to do is it's going to create content that's more robust for us, which is really exciting. Okay, so now that it has reviewed each of the different sections, I selected to expand specific content. So it's broken up each of these pieces, and we can go and on the right-hand side toggle what we actually want to expand, whether it's no change or change, just by clicking and sliding or dragging. We can go through each of these sections and expand it. If we decided that we didn't want to go section by section, the other way that we could expand would be all content. And then it's just going to start doing it manually for us. At this point, again, it's going to take some time. So I'm going to go ahead and jump through to the result. Okay, so a few minutes have passed, but thanks to a little editing magic, I was able to condense that so you didn't have to sit there and watch it think. But what we now have is some expanded content within the specific newsletter that we're able to now go in. We can edit it and adjust it however we need to, and we can really start working. Each of these sections has been expanded so that they're really strong. This is a really cool feature inside the Systems Accelerator Manager. So I do encourage you to play around with it when you have a little bit of extra time and you just want to see what content expansion can do for any of the different resources you make. Now from here, I would encourage you, go ahead and copy either the text or the HTML, save it for later. So that you can return to it. And then if you ever want to toggle between the first draft and that second draft, you're able to do so on that bottom left-hand side. But other than that, get in there and see what you're able to expand, what that content looks like. And I will see you tomorrow for another tutorial.